You need to hear this if you're a fitness enthusiast. Ready to have fun while getting fit? Welcome to the Fitness Idea. Today we're diving into the world of dance workouts. Dance workouts are all the rage, and for good reason. They mix fun, music, and fitness into one exciting package. Let's break it down with some popular styles. First up, Zumba, high-energy moves with Latin and international beats. Next, hip-hop dance, fast-paced and dynamic. Then, Bollywood dance workouts, vibrant and full of Indian cinema flair. And finally, barre dance, a blend of ballet, Pilates, and yoga. Each one offers something unique. But it's not just about the fun. Dance workouts can torch calories, tone muscles, boost heart health, and relieve stress. Plus, dancing unleashes endorphins, giving your mood a major lift. Ready to get started? Try local classes or online tutorials. Begin with short sessions, set goals, and track your progress. Most importantly, enjoy the journey. So, what are you waiting for? Discover the dance workout that gets you moving and grooving. If you loved this, comment, and subscribe to the Fitness Idea. Thanks for watching and happy dancing!